Hey everybody, Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois, mgmclassiccars.com. That's right, iconic 1970 Chevelle, ground off, rotisserie built, only 900 miles since it was done. Fathom Blue, Cortez silver stripes, black vinyl top, sitting on 20 inches on the rear, custom wheel tire package, 18s in the front. Just done right. 454 automatic TH400 with air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, 12-bolt rear end with a 373 gear, so you can go cruising. We're gonna go through this thing nut to bolt, so you know exactly what you're getting when you get this thing home with you. Got power disc brakes, all brand new. Interior, SS bucket seats, SS door panels, SS center console with the staple shifter, SS gauges, upgraded radio. Look at those Riddler wheels. It's nice. Come on now, just a great ass. All your seatbelts intact in this car. All your lights, gauges, everything, wipers, everything the way it should be is working correctly. And air conditioning, keep you nice and cool. Like I said, all fresh, so all the chrome, fresh. All your light bezels, grill, badging, everything done right. No stories. Hood lines up good. Just a little adjustment on the passenger side, I see. I'll get off a little bit, just off a tiny bit. I'll try to push it down a little bit more. But I just see it, so I want you to know it. Front fender driver's side is great. All your badging's done. Lines up great all the way down. It's so clean underneath as well. Taken over 100 photos. Your vinyl top's in great shape. Rear quarter. This is a new quarter, full all the way through. I just went through it. Let's get down on this baby. Rear bumper's in great shape. All your glass, driver's windows, passenger windows, front glass, rear glass, all in great shape. Trunk lines up great. All your chrome around there is good. Factory quarter. Lines up great. No paint flaws. Front discs, Riddler wheels, 18-inch in the front. Look how nice this is underneath. Clean. Clean. That's what I call fresh. nice all the way throughout. Let's check out the cabin. 6x9's in the back. Your deck is good. Headliner is great. All your weather strippings are fresh. It's a fresh car. This is a new car. No rust anywhere to be found. I should tell you that, but original weld still on the door. Interior's in excellent condition. It's all brand new, so. Door panels, dash pad, sun visors, upgraded sound system, your air conditioning unit, staple shifter. Some call it a horseshoe. I call it staple. All your SS gauges, and everything works. All your gauges, all your lights, turn signals, blinker, horn, air conditioning, heat, everything's working properly. Let's check out the trunk. Clean, clean, clean. All your weather stripping, like I said, fresh. So this one's been totally full one put on. This is the right way to do it, no cutting. Super, super nice car. Super, super nice car. Grab the keys and we'll fire this thing up. All right. Let's see, one pump.
Seafood values at your local Joe Osco.
Radio's working. Let's take a listen to this. Dual fan, aluminum radiator, air conditioning, nice set of headers. Power brakes, power steering. This is a nice car. Real nice. Engine compartment super, super clean. Functional power induction hood. All your hoses, your belts, wiring, everything new and fresh. All your hinges. So if you're looking to do any financing with us, this is a beautiful car. And you're anywhere from a 6 735 to a 739. Go to my website, mgmclassiccars.com. Fill out the application, 10% down, 84 months, good rates. If you're 740 and above, go directly to lightstream.com. Again, if you're 740 and above, go directly to lightstream.com. Generally, you get an approval within 24 hours, sometimes no money down. 84 months, great rates. If you need quotes on shipping anywhere in the United States, open or enclosed, you could contact me at 773-600-0919. Again, my name is Earl, 773-600-0919. You can call me or text me. We've got over 120 cars in stock, ready for immediate delivery. Could ship anywhere. We're open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., Saturday from 10 to 2, by appointment only. You could call me to get that appointment if you want to come in, or call me if you have any questions at 773-600-0919. If you like our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us on Facebook, mgmclassiccars.com, Tri-State Auto Wholesalers. I hope you enjoyed this one. There's plenty more to come. Have a great day.